Hello my people, so we are back again with another video. And good afternoon, good morning, it just depends where you're following me from and what is your time zone. So basically I am giving out a giveaway, so it is about wigs and some makeup products. I was waiting to do it since like in the very beginning of the year, and of course with the pandemic going on I couldn't do anything, so now I can do something about it. And yes, I have some wigs to give out and some makeup products to give out. And if you want to see how to get into the contest and win a wig, all you have to do is follow me on Insta, follow me on my YouTube account, the link is in the bio. Tag 3 friends. Your friends has to follow me on my YouTube account as well as my Instagram, and then you have to share this post on your profile or on your stories so I can see. The winners are going to be announced at the end of the month. The end of the month, that's when I'm going to announce the winners for a wig or makeup products. Like I said before, I am in collaboration with GLOSSYBOXhas, and yes, they do send me some skincare products as well as makeup products, so that way some of them I don't really use because it's for occasions, but I would like to definitely give it away. Okay, so for all my followers, for all my subscribers, so this is the time for you not to miss out, because there's a lot of things. Like I said, there is a lot of boxes, as you can see. I have so many boxes here that I am literally planning to pick and choose and just, give them away. And of course the picture of the wig that I just posted, that one as well, I am going to give it away. So the winner is going to be announced, like I said, at the end of the month. This month here, that's when the winner is going to be announced. So make sure you just follow the instructions and follow me on my Insta. If you're not, follow me on my YouTube account. The link is in the bio. And yes, I think I have said enough. Anyway, so before starting, I didn't even conceal my brows yet, but before starting I wanted to show you guys quickly what I have received from GLOSSYBOXhas today. So it's literally if you register yourself here, you're gonna get monthly subscriptions of skincare products and some of the discounts, some food discount that they send. And so for this month in October, I received a very glossy fairy tale, I like to say. And the thing that I like about GLOSSYBOXhas is that the boxes are so beautiful and they are recyclable. You can use it again and again and again. You can put your jewelries, you can put your makeup, you can put your curtains, like anything you like. So which I am so excited about because it's so pretty. Each month that they literally send something very nice, and I like this one here. It's my favorite blue and I love it. So this one here is called the Midnight Fantasy, the Beauty Tale. So basically we're gonna see what they have put inside. For October they put the Luna by Luna. This is a lipstick. So it is a lipstick. We're gonna open it together and see what they have inside before we start, because of course there's some of the product that's here that I really liked, and I'm willing to use them when I'm doing my makeup today, so you guys can see what's up. So this is the lipstick I received, and then the shade is Pixie, and it looks like this. They most of the time send me the same type of lipstick. I'm not really a fan of red. I have a specific kind of red that I like, but this one here is not really my forte, like I say. so I'm going to include it into the box when I'm gonna do the giveaway. I'm gonna find my winner. I'm gonna include some of the lipstick, red lipstick of course that I haven't used. So the second thing that I have received in the box, it's the Stargazing Blush Duo by the Beauty Crop, and we're going to see. I love blusher. I think they're versatile. You can use them of course as a blush on your cheeks, and you can use them as well on your eyelid as eyeshadow. That's just me. I don't know if you guys do that, but I do that a lot. So they look like this. They say it's a duo. I don't know, you can't really see the way you get the color properly now. It's like two different type of pink. There's another one's a bit darker, and another one's a bit lighter, I think. So yeah, I like this. I like it. So I'm gonna use it today, and then of course, if looking at it looks nice, but I'm gonna try to use it again and then see if it's gonna work on me, on my skin tone or not. Then I'm going to include it on the giveaway boxes or skincare products. And then the third one, I have Ila Masqua. I know Ila Masqua, that's so expensive. It's a high-end product, but they sent me a 7 milliliter product, which is a trial product. So yeah, they said it smooths the skin, protects against dryness, minimize the look of pores, and create a perfect canvas for foundation application. So you put this one before your foundation. I have never used the Ila Masqua before, but if you have, leave me a comment down below so that I'll know how it works on dark skin. Okay, so this is how it looks. We're gonna open it, and yeah, it's literally so creamy and white, but I think you can use it as a primer before putting the foundation on, which I'm going to do now because I don't have a primer yet on my face. So it's a clear gel, instantly helps skin feels hydrated and smooth. The lightweight water-based formula is quickly absorbed by the skin and is the perfect base for longer foundation application, leaving the skin looking flawless. So we're gonna try this one. Unfortunately, the day is already over, but that's not gonna stop us, isn't it? We're still gonna try it. And then we have 2 more products left, of course, with some discounts as well. And this one here is called Ahc Essential Eye Cream for the face. So this is for your eye. So it's an eye cream for the whole face. I don't really use eye creams like that because I make sure that I don't really have a skincare, to be honest. I don't really have a skincare like routine, like every day, like, oh, I have to use this every day. I don't think I have one. If I do, it's probably just the regular things. It's not like I have to do it before I go to bed every day. I can wash my face after this one, use my Garnier, and then that's it. I used to use Badescu product, but I just stopped. That's it. So this is the Ahc. If you have heard of it, please let me know, because most of the products that I receive here, I never used it. I don't even know where they're from. Nothing like that. So yes, yeah, this one I think is good to use when you're going to bed or something like that. It's literally it nourishes your face, and you're gonna have a radiant facial complexions, and it refreshes the texture into your skin. So yeah, this is what they say. Never heard of it. And the last product that I have received, it's a foaming bath powder in rose. It's a like, it's a bubble bath. You can literally use it when you're going to bath. And the only one thing about me is that I got so allergic with those products that some of them I don't use, because or like things like foaming bath, bubble bath, all these type of things, I don't really use them, so it just doesn't look good on my skin. I'm gonna have I'm allergic, let's just say I'm allergic. So now I'm gonna tell you guys the prices of each product that came in the box. First product, we have this red lipstick called Luna. The shade is Pixie. This one is £15. It costs £15. So that's what I said. Wow, that's expensive, because it's a full size, so it costs £15. And if you're interested, yeah, you can find it on the lunabyluna.com website. And the second product is the Ahc Essential Eye Cream that retails for, this is a mini because they sent me a small one. How much is it? Yeah, it retails for £8.66. Let's just say £9. So this one you get it for £9, and the full size, which is 30 milliliter, will cost £26. That's hella expensive. So this is a high-end product. The person is gonna be lucky to have it. You better show up and then go and do the contacts, take part in the giveaway. You might get some of this product because GLOSSYBOX is really the best. It sends amazing products, expensive products, high-end products. It's amazing, I'm not even gonna lie. So the next product that I received is the Healer Mascara, which is a part hydrator, part primer, Hydra Veil instantly hydrates and smooth skin through a self-leveling futuristic gel. Micro algae, vitamin C, B3 work together to help maintain your skin hydration levels, creating a healthy looking, balanced finish. Plant extracts also provide a calming and refreshing feeling, leaving skin fully prepped to apply your chosen foundation. So this is a 7 milliliter, the small one that they sent me, worth £10, and the full size, which is 30 milliliter, much bigger than this one, will cost normally £35. So guys, these are expensive products, okay? So if you want to win one of these high-end products, take part to the giveaway. Definitely I'm gonna send you some of these, okay? This is all Europe included. And then I have the blush geo from Stargazing, the Beauty Crop. Yes, this one, is it a full size or what? This must be the full size, so that's what I said. It retails, it's worth £18. So if you're interested, go to thebeautycrop.com. Of course, the videos is not sponsored, I'm just showing you the product that I received. And the last product is the Bubble Stardust Rose, which is a foaming buff, and it's a full size product. Yes, it costs £6. That's the cheapest product I have in the box. So as you can see, this was the end of our video about the GLOSSYBOX that I receive, my monthly subscriptions. If you're interested, go to the GLOSSYBOX website and you can register yourself so you can receive those amazing boxes full of expensive high-end skincare products, makeup products, anything you like. Okay, so without further ado, I am going to log back in again, and then do my makeup, like finally start doing my makeup. Thanks for following me, and I'm gonna catch up with you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.